Hi guys, future Alex here. As you can see by the title, you're going to be seeing my stay at the Westin. And at first I was going to do a whole vlog about it, like my whole stay. But then I decided to do a room tour instead, purely because I was only staying for one night. And if I'm honest, I wanted to enjoy myself. I didn't want to constantly be having the camera out and trying to get content. I mean, I got content on my Instagram stories, but you know, trying to get content on the camera sometimes takes up a lot of time, and I actually just wanted to be in the moment and enjoy myself. Just a little disclaimer that this is not like a paid collaboration or a sponsorship or anything. I actually won this stay through a competition with Westin through their social media, and yeah, it was a lovely stay. It was actually better than I expected, and I'm really glad that I got the opportunity to stay there. Yeah, I'm gonna let you watch the video. If you have any questions about the hotel or anything in general, just let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoy. Take care, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now you're probably thinking, where are you? Well, does this look familiar? I'm back in Bahrain, guys. I got back to Bahrain a few days ago. Unfortunately, when I arrived, I was ill and I had the flu, and it was bad, guys. It really was. So let me get straight to the point. Today, I will be staying at the Westin Hotel at Bahrain City Centre, and I'm excited. I actually have always wanted to stay there, and lucky for me, I ended up winning a competition and I won a night stay there. So this morning when I got up, I was preparing my clothes and everything that I'm going to take. I've just run a bath. I've got to get ready. It's about 11:30 right now. And yeah, check-in's at 3. I don't know what to expect, but I'm just really excited. If you didn't know, I really love staying at hotels. I don't know if that sounds weird or it's a normal thing. Probably is normal, but I'm just overthinking stuff. I really like staying at different hotels, just experiencing nice things, as we all do. I've stayed in a lot of nice hotels, which I should have really put on my channel. The only hotel that out of all my life I've stayed in that I've put online is when I stayed at Me London. That was a lovely hotel. I'm excited to see what Westin has to offer. But yeah, gonna get in the bath, get ready, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. So guys, I'm all ready to go to Westin. I actually was gonna get there at 3 p.m. because that's when check-in time is at hotels. But the marketing manager wants to see me and she leaves at 3, so I have to head there earlier. Currently it is 2 p.m. to be exact. I'm all ready. My little away suitcase, love that. And yeah, I know I'm only staying over one night. My outfit that I'm gonna wear to dinner tonight, I have my gym clothes because they have actually a really nice gym. So I wanna get a workout session in as I haven't been for a few days. I've got my swimming costume because they've got a swimming pool there. Not sure if I will go in the swimming pool, but I bought it just in case. And I've got my makeup, laptop, etc. So yeah. That's the reason I'm being hella extra with my suitcase that I'm only going to need for one night, but it is what it is. So I'm going to head to Westin now, and I'll catch up with you guys when I'm settled in, and I'll give you that room tour. Guys, so I've just arrived at my room at the Westin at Bahrain City Centre, and I'm lost for words. I'm actually in love. This has got to be one of the best hotels I've ever stayed in, ever. I'm gonna give you a quick room tour, and yeah, let's do the room tour. First things first, guys, as you enter the room, you've got this little hallway here. On the left hand side you have the light switches, and actually I didn't realise, but in here is actually a little cupboard or a little room which you have your ironing board, your bathrobe, slippers, basically where you store all your clothes, a safe here, and here's my luggage. Over here we have a prayer mat, laundry on request, and just some spare drawers to keep any other valuables, or not valuables, but anything you want to keep in the drawers. Right, something that I absolutely love about going to hotels are hotels with amazing bathrooms, and actually this is a hotel that has just that. So as we enter, on the left we have some towels and a lovely bathtub. I'm actually gonna have another bath. I had a bath today, and just because I can, I'm gonna have another one. Then we go round and we've got a lovely shower. It's actually a rainfall shower, so I'll definitely be using that too. And then we come round. Hi guys, lovely mirror, makeup mirror here, flannels, sink, amenities from Heavenly Spa, Westin, and we have some water here and a lovely plant feature. Secretly tucked away is, I'm assuming, the toilet. Nice clean toilet. What I really love about this bathroom is the minimalism. There's nothing too out there, it's just simple but speaks volumes, you know. I absolutely love this bathroom. Completes the bathroom portion of the room. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the actual room itself. Section here, which I assume is where the mini bar is, or the fridge. You have to be careful because usually when you open the fridge it automatically charges you, so I don't think it's complimentary. However, I'll try and find out. Here we are, guys, the room itself. Here when you walk in you have a nice LG flat screen TV, a desk with a mirror. You can do your work or just do your makeup. Then we have a lamp and a little seating area. Maybe you can drink your coffee there of a morning and just look out of the view. And the start of the show, guys, look at this lovely king size bed. I'm absolutely in love. Detailing of the lamps are so pretty. The flowers, love it. Even on the back of the wall. And yeah, I'm going to sleep good tonight. We have a bedside desk, or bedside table should I say. It has some menus there, just some information, bottles of water, alarm clock, phone. And we actually have this Sleep Well lavender balm. So I don't know if you put this on your pillow and it helps you to go to sleep, but yeah. Oh, a drawer here, Westin Home Collection. Maybe you can buy some of their like pillows, etc. So that's cool. That is my room. Let me know what you think of it. Before I get on to doing other stuff, let me quickly show you the view. I have a highway view actually. Look at that. Look at that view. 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 Lo I don't know if that's a thing, but great view of the highway. In front we have Dana Mall, and actually over the back there I can see, but obviously I'm not going to tell you exactly where, but I can see my house where I live. So that's great. Maybe I can tell my dad to look out the window and we can wave at each other. All jokes aside, we won't be doing that because it's too far of distance, even though I can see the building. But yeah, guys, I'm here. I'm ready for my stay. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to Crystalline over at Westin. She's the marketing manager for this stay. I'm very lucky to have won the competition to win a night stay, and yeah, I'm really gonna make the most of it.